Fanttik D2, this is a laser level. It's a green color, which actually comes up a lot better in daylight. You can see this is pretty much daylight in here in my garage, and you can still see this light. If you hit the button, you can actually turn it down or turn it up. Obviously, if you want it all the way up, it's going to use the most power, and if you have it down, you'll save some power. This has a built-in battery, which is really nice. It's charged with a USB-C cable, which is right here, which it comes with, of course. And then this is how you turn it on and off. So when you turn it off, it locks the pendulum in there so it doesn't break. And then when you open it up, it turns on. You can see it is blinking. That's because it's not level, but as soon as you get this on, you can put this onto a tripod. As soon as you do get it level, or put it down and let it go, it will stop blinking. So this thing is awesome. It has a battery indicator. Oh, just shine myself in the eye right here on the top. So this thing has everything that you need. This is the Fanttik D2 laser level. I highly recommend it. I also like that it's super small and compact. There's no reason to have giant laser levels. It also has like a rubber on the outside kind of feel. So if you drop it, it has some impact resistance there. So it won't break. I haven't dropped it yet, but I don't recommend dropping it, but it's nice that they have it kind of rubber coated. Also keeps it from being dropped because you have a better kind of grip on it. Fanttik D2.